Namaskar, and I am your teacher Pawan Kanu, and I am back again with the same topic, that is sphere and hemisphere, but some different questions that are very much important for the students related grade 9, 10, and some of the cases in grade 8 also. So this is one of the important question, and in this question students can clearly understand the use of formulas and the meaning of the volume, the total surface area and the curved surface area. So before starting this, let us understand the figures here. So what are the values given in this figure is that the diameter of a great circle of a hemisphere, or also you can say the diameter of a base of a circle, and the height of a whole object. And here in a question we are asked to find volume, total surface area and curved surface area. In what can we understand that from the help of a diameter we can find the radius of a circle, and radius is just half of a diameter, so the diameter is here 7, half of 14 you will get 7 centimeter. And as I have explained you previously in previous videos, you can go up in the I button and understand that in the topic where I am explaining about the sphere and hemisphere, I have said you the height of hemisphere will also be the radius of hemisphere. So we can say this one is also 7 centimeter, and out of the full length 13 centimeter, if you subtract 7 centimeter from the 13 centimeter, you will get just 6 centimeter as the height of a cylinder. Now let us start the processing solution. So first we can go from curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to the curved surface area of a whole figure is equals to the curved surface area of a cylinder. Then the curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus the curved surface area of hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. I have denoted the radius of a cylinder is small r and radius of a sphere is capital R, but in this condition the radii of both cylinder and hemisphere are same. So you can change this r in terms of capital R, RH, or curved surface area is equals to, you can see 2 pi r is common, you can take common 2 pi r, you will get h plus r left in a formula, or CSA is equals to 2 into 22 by 7, the radius is 7, height of a cylinder is just 6, and the radius of a sphere is 7. CSA is equals to 7 is cancelled, 22 times 2 is 44 times 13. Therefore, the CSA you will get 13 times 4. 13 4 the 52, 5 and 13 4 52, and 5 will get 572 centimeter square. Again, for TSA, here while writing the formula for TSA, you will just understand the difference between CSA and TSA now. First, the CSA plus the opening. This is the opening area, so you have to add this opening area also, that is pi r square. So CSA previous it was 572, pi is 22 by 7, and r is just 7 square, so cancel 1 r. 572 in plus 22 into 7, or 572 plus 7 to the 14 for 1, and 7 to the 14 and 1 15, that is 4 plus 2 6, 5 7 2 up to 1 5 6 726 will be total surface area, and the unit is centimeter square. So what we come to know the difference? The difference in total surface area is just we have to add one more extra, that is the opening part of a mixture of the cylinder and a hemisphere. Finally, we have to find the volume. So here in the volume, we have to write the volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, and the volume of hemisphere is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Here also you can take the common, like pi r square and r square is taken common, you will get h plus 2 upon 3 r, or volume V equals to 22 by 7. R square is the 7 square. Height of a cylinder is 6 plus 2 upon 3. R is 7. Or 1 7 is cancelled here. V equals to 22 by 7. You don't have to multiply it again. Here we have done 22 by 7 is 154. And 6 plus 2 7 14 by 3. Or V equals to 154 into, taking LCM as 3, because the denominator of 6 is 1, then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 14. Let us see we can divide this or not. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 is not a multiple of 3, so it is not divisible by 3. We have to continue. 154 and 8 plus 4, 12 to 1 and 3. 32 divided by 3. Now you have to simply multiply. 154 divided by 32, 4, 8, 10, 1, 3. 3, 4, 12 to 1, 5, 15, 16, 1, 3, 1, 4. 8, 2, 9, 4. 4, 9, 2, 8 divided by 3. Still let us check. 9 times 9 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 8. 23 is not divided by 3, divided by 3. But still we can go by other divisible forms like 2, 4, 9, 2, 8 divided by 3 in this way. Then 3 times 1, 3, and you will get 3, you will get here 1, and 9, 6 is 18, you will get here 1, 2, 4 is 12, you will get again 8. Then 3 times 2 is 6, you will get 2, to put point, then you will get 20, then 20 minus 18 you will get 3 and 3. So the volume is 1642.33 centimeter cube. If you have doubt about this, you can use your calculators and solve. But here you must understand how the formulas are being used and how the question is being solved. Now next is from question number 2. Here you can see there is no opening for this figure. It means the curved surface area and total surface area of this figure is same. You don't have to do one extra work here. You simply have to find the curved surface area as a total figure and the volume of a total figure. And let us understand here once again. If this is the radius of a hemisphere, then this one will be the height of a hemisphere as 6 and 6, and also the 6 will be the height of the second hemisphere. You can deduct 6 from the lower area, also you can deduct 6 from the upper line as well. So finally 6 plus 6 is 12, 42 minus 12, you will get 30. So 30 is the height of the object, 30 centimeter. Babu na bola, Babu please disturb na kara. Anmol disturb na kara beta. Okay, then now let's write the formulas first. CSA of whole object is the CSA of hemisphere, first hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. CSA of a cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, and the CSA of second hemisphere is again 2 pi r square. So here I suggest the student not to memorize the formula as a combined form. Just memorize the formula of sphere and memorize the formula of cylinder, and as for the given question, given figures, you can just write in a addition form here. So 2 pi r square and 2 pi r square are similar. You can add and write 4 pi r square and 2 pi r h. And after that, you will get 2 common from the both sides, and pi is common, and r. So you will get here 2r plus h. 22 by 7, the radius is 6, and 2, the radius is 6, and the height of the cylinder is 30. So after that you can write 44 times 6 divided by 7 into 2 times 6 is 12 plus 30 is equals to 6 times 4 is 24, 6 times 4 is 24 and 2 26 divided by 7 into 42, 7 times 6 is 42. Finally, the curved surface area will be 6 times 4 is 24, 2, 6 times 6 is 36, 2, 38, 3, 6 times 2 is 12 and 3, 15 centimeter square. Again, finally, we can directly go for volume, because the total surface area and the curved surface area of this figure is same as there is no any extra opening space. Like here it was the opening, we can fill in it, but there is nothing, any area so that we can fill any type of substance inside it. So there is no opening here. Volume of the figure 2 is 2 upon 3 pi r cube for the first hemisphere, pi r square h for the cylinder, and again 2 upon 3 pi r cube for the second hemisphere. So 2 upon 3 pi r cube and 2 upon 3 pi r cube, in total you will get 4 upon 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h. Try your best to simplify as much as it is possible so that our solutions will be easier. Now from here pi r cube and pi r square you can take common. After that you can write 4 upon 3 r plus h. 22 by 7 and 6 square. Here there is nothing, 1. So 4 upon 3 r is 6 plus height of the cylinder is 30. Or 22 by 7, 6 square is 36. And here 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8 plus 30. Try your best to remove the denominators so that your solutions will be easier. 22 by 7 into 36 into 38. And after that you have to use your calculator or you use your multiplication way. How can you multiply the numbers? I am going to use a simple way to multiply, that is 36 times 38. 8 times 6 is 48, 4. 8 times 3 is 24, 28. 3 times 6 is 18, 8, 1. 3 times 9, 3 is 9 and 1, 10. 8, 6, 1, 3, 1. We will write here 22 by 7 into 1, 3, 6, 8 multiplied by 22. Again, 2 times 8 is 16, 6, 1. 2 times 6 is 12, 1, 1, 13, 1. 3 times 2 is 6 and 1, 7 and 1 is 2. 6, 3, 7, 2, because again the same number to be multiplied. Adding 6, 9, 0, 1, 0, 1, 3. We'll get 3, 0, 0, 9, 6 divided by 7. Finally, the volume is, we have to divide by 7 here. 7 times 4 is 28. 2, 0, 7 times 1, 2 is 14. 6, 9, 7 times 9 is 63. We will get here 6 and 6. Again 9 is 63. And you will get here 3. Putting point, then you will get 30. 7 times 4 is 28. You get 2 again, and 0 means 2 times is 14, and so on. So the final volume will be 4299.42 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of figure number 2. Actually there is nothing more difficult to understand here. Simply you have to catch the figures and write the formula. Try to check the figures. This is a cylinder, so the CSA of a cylinder. This is the hemisphere, so the surface area of a hemisphere. Here we have got 2, so we have written 2 formulas of surface of hemisphere. So this was for today. You have still some questions, then you can put your questions in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video if you really find it helpful, and share this video among your friends. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe the channel and keep practicing, keep learning. Bye.